Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google app and going straight to More, then Settings, then Google Assistant. Make sure your account and microphone permissions are active, otherwise changes won't apply. Once done, select Assistant to access voice and response options. You need to pick the device profile you'll edit because settings can differ per device. This first step gets you into the control area where response style, voice, and personalization live, so you can change them purposefully. Now you focus on how the assistant speaks and what it shows. You pick a voice to set tone, then, under Assistant Responses, choose between short answers or detailed replies with visuals. Make sure to edit routines so specific queries trigger tailored responses. This is where you build consistent behavior. Also check language and voice match to avoid mismatched pronunciations. These middle steps let you shape both phrasing and delivery, so replies match your preference and context. Finish by testing. Speak several sample queries and read back text interactions to verify the new responses. You must save changes, and when available, sync settings across devices so behavior is consistent. If something isn't working, clear the app cache, update to the latest version, or relink your Google account. These steps often resolve mismatched settings. As a key troubleshooting tip, retrain voice match and confirm microphone permissions. Many issues come from account or permission mismatches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.